No!
Okay, I actually saw a bit of your face in that, so we're gonna...
Oh, okay.
Let's try again. Could you hand that to him again? Rolling. Oh, Topher, can you back up a bit? No, actually to the left, sorry. No, other way, other left. Sorry. Do you wanna like...
I'm just gonna go in the other way.
Okay, wait for Topher to pass by.
Oh damn, it's the Willie Hayes. Where did Willie Hayes go? All I see is the Willie Hayes.
Alright, okay, I'm rolling.
Because Willie Hayes can see, but the Willie Hayes can't. So obviously.
I think that's good.
Should I do something more like... Laundry! That was great.
Love it.
Is that enough of a eating grunt?
Yeah.
Okay. Nate.
It's looking good.
I need to clean off the stove from one corner to the other. And I've got to clean the stove from one corner to the other. And the burners.
Like, just don't forget that you're crazy.
Test mic check. This is a check for the microphone test.
What does that mean?
No, that you haven't put in the detergent.
I think that's gonna be great.
Maybe start with the tutorial.
I love that one.
That sounds like a Pokemon. No, it must be.
I love it. I love it.
If you're watching this right now, my name something.
Really no pressure. I understand how it goes.
The whole thing.
My name is Marty McBoyman. Please don't laugh at that.
Marty. He did say Marty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Morty. Close. That's not.
Yeah, it's fine. You're doing fine.
Okay, now you can put in your clothes.
How do you see?
So I'm gonna just so you just hold that. So just hold that shirt.
Add detergent to the washing machine before you start. You actually got it. I'm sorry. I was not prepared for you to actually pull it out.
It was pretty incredible. You're doing great. You really are.
Remember to breathe.
I forgot how to breathe.
Uh-oh.
Well, I can't help you there.
My name is Marty McBoyman. Please don't laugh at that. Anyway, something is happening.
You said
You did say Marty again.
Best to avoid awkward conversation starters, like, I wrote this joke.
That's cool.
I should have this.
Forward spot removed from my dog, and now he's gone.
What's going on? You killed a man, didn't you?
I did. Hold on. You're counting. There we go.
Alright.
Now read that container like you don't want another flood on your hands, do you, Steve?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's too close to Marty McFly for me.
I know. Oh, I could see that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
could totally see that. I never even thought about that.
We could take the Mick out. It could just be Morty Boyman.
Yeah. If
I like that.
My name is Marty Boyman.
Hey, you caught it. That's
Well, unfortunately, we can't change you to Marty because you've already been Morty.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. My name is Morty Boyman.
You got this.
Ah!
I'm gonna take this out for now. Wait. Holy wait. There's a quarter in here.
Oh,
Get it.
well, that's why you check your pockets.
Kind of amazing.
Take as much time as you need to aim.
It's clean. It's close.
We're behind the scenes of the How to Do Your Laundry video here at Topher's house. How y'all feeling?
I'm tired, as always.
I respect that.
100%.
Laundry. Laundry. Sorry, did I just?
No, it's totally
That
fine.
was awesome.
Laundry. Just.
That was good. That
And
was
just
good.
like a freeze.
What if I said holy cheese and crackers? Is that you, Batman?
You can say that.
That works too. Yeah.
Holy cheese and crackers! Is that you, Batman?
No, 'tis I, the Willie Hayes.
Who? Oh, holy smokes, Batman! Is that you?
No, 'tis I, Willie Hayes. No, 'tis I, the Willie
The
Hayes.
V is the important.
It's perfect.
Oh, that's so rude, man.
So, what does it look like? Got like skull eyes? No, you just look weird.
You look like Daredevil from the Netflix series.
That was beautiful.
Hey, how do you do that? You're so coordinated without sight.
He's Daredevil.
He is. He's
Obvious.
Gotta make it look like.
Are we gonna have an alternate line for your parents' life, like your parents' lives depend on it?
Yeah, we haven't written it yet, and we can film that at a later date. It'll be okay.
Yeah, Brian, what's a celebrity you like?
A what?
A celebrity you like? Like, say it like their lives depend on it.
Yeah, what celebrity do you like?
Let's see.
Billy Mays.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Yeah, why not?
Oh yeah.
It's like, who's that?
So, so you're gonna say, now read that container.
Celebrity, Billy Man.
Now read that container like Billy Mays' life depends on it.
Laughed. Tickle. Fight.
I want to say that.
Do you guys know who Betty White is?
No.
Yes?
Just say, now read that container like Betty White's life depends on it. And pull the container out as you're saying it.
Alright.
Whenever you're ready.
Now read the container like your Betty's White's life.
One more time.
Now read that container like Betty's White.
One more. You got this. Now read that container like Betty's White depends on it.
Now read this container like Betty's Whites depend on it.
Why, Mother?